Many newer vehicles now use a multi-function touchscreen interface to control such functions as the radio, climate control, navigation, and other systems. Dorman's remanufactured infotainment modules like the Cadillac Q unit we'll be replacing in a 2013 SRX are fully refurbished and tested in a dedicated facility in the USA. They're also pre-programmed and ready to install with plug-and-play simplicity. This installation procedure is considered medium difficulty and should take about an hour to perform. Essentially, you'll need to remove the console trim, disconnect and remove the old unit, then connect and install the new unit. The process for other vehicles will be similar but may differ slightly, possibly resulting in different installation times. Start by pulling back the kick panel on both sides of the center console to access the mounting hardware for the upper console trim. Then pull up on the main trim to release it. Pull the trim plate beneath the center stack towards you to release it and remove it. Remove the two lower screws holding the infotainment bezel in place. Then remove the upper trim cover. Pull gently from the bottom of the bezel to remove it. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness from the bezel. Remove the 4 screws that mount the infotainment unit to the dashboard, then pull it forward to remove it. Disconnect the antenna cable and wiring harnesses from the back side of the infotainment module. You can now remove the original module from the vehicle. Install the new infotainment module in the dashboard, making sure that all electrical connections are secure. Test the new module before reassembling the trim to confirm that everything is working. Reinstall the trim in reverse order of disassembly. If you have any other questions about this repair or any other, our tech line is always there to help.